Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be literally making a dress, trying to put something together. So you guys, I will give you different details that I did to get the look that I did with this dress. So just keep on watching. Okay you guys, the first thing I am showing you is my needles. I got these needles from Walmart, very affordable. I'm going to use the curve needle because it's more easy for me to sew because I'm not a big fan of sewing. I also got elastic bands from Walmart, very affordable also. And with my elastic band, I showed you that I have already attached it together with the sewing needle and thread. This dress, you guys, I got from Lovely Wholesale, and this is going to be the top part of my dress. But I got this dress from Lovely Wholesale about 3 years ago. Really don't wear it like that no more. So what I'm going to do is actually add this to my bottom part. I got tulle to add to my bottom part, and I also got this at Walmart, you guys. So basically, you can get very affordable things to make with your dress at Walmart in the sewing and material aisles. You can also get it from Hobby Lobby. You can also get it from Michael's if you have a Michael's in your town. But these products, these things are very cheap. Right now I'm just showing you that I kind of measured the tulle already, what length I want. I can't give y'all the exact measurements. I know I just placed it where I want the tulle to start, and then I went from there, and then I basically cut some, and then I'm going to go upward cutting too to get the actual length that I want it to drop at. And then after I get the actual length I want it to drop at, then I'm going to start attaching the tulle to my elastic band. So you guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I was bored, so I was like, oh, I want to try to make a DIY video. Why not make a quick dress, you guys? So my secret is I used a already made dress for the top layer of this dress, and I got it from Lovely Wholesale. And I don't know about Lovely Wholesale now, but back then it was very affordable. So I'm going to use this dress because I loved this dress when I wore it just how I was. But I want to add length to it. So that's why I am going to get tulle. And right now you see me placing the tulle onto the elastic band. But you guys, anything is possible. So if you're thinking about making your dress and you don't want to take hours and days and months and weeks to make this dress, use a already made dress and give it length if you're trying to have the dress with length. And so yeah, after a while I just placed the tulle on the floor instead of how y'all see me do it on the couch. So I placed the tulle, unraveled the tulle on the floor, cut it, and just kept that process over again until I had a certain amount of layers. Then I cut upward so I could have multiple layers already, so it would not take me long to create the length of the dress. So you guys, it will help me out a lot if you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. We would love to have you here, and just keep on watching this DIY project that I decided to do. So basically, I set the layers on the couch so it could be easy access. But right now, I have my daughter just standing here, so I can make sure I am leveling out the tool at the top part of it, exactly the same. Because at first I wasn't. So I'm just double checking and starting to add more layers so it all can be leveled out at the top part of this dress. So that's what you see me doing right here. So then I took my ring light, my smaller ring light, and just took the dress off of my daughter, and so she won't be standing for a long time, and just placed it sitting there to the angle that I wanted it to. And I'm just continuing with the adding the tool at the level that I want. I want all the way around to be at the same length. So that's what you see me doing right here. Again, it's not my daughter just standing here. It's me placing it up on my ring light. But I'm pretty sure a lot of people have like mannequins or something that you guys can use, but I don't. So that's why I'm using this. And just you I mean, it's just easy to just put it all together very quickly without taking a long process. And yeah, did you hit that like button yet, you guys? Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. Okay, this is what I have so far. And now I just flip the dress and the tool part of the dress over. And then I start attaching the dress to the tool part to give it that firmer hold. But some people take it to a person that alters dresses and stuff and just get them to sew it after they already made the skirt part of the layer. They just sew the dress and the tool part on. But I'm just going to hand do this to make it faster without going anywhere and trying to get somebody to help. This was very affordable, you guys. I already had the dress, and I think when I purchased this dress off Lovely Wholesale, it was like $8 or $9, maybe $10 and everything. And then the tool part of it, I got all the equipment from Walmart, and it was very affordable. I say I paid like maybe $8, $9 for this tool and, you know, the elastic band all together. So yeah, very affordable, very quick. I liked it how the dress turned out. And you guys just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you think that this video was value to, it'll help you out in any kind of way, don't forget to like this video, you guys, and comment. If you have any other tips for me. Again, this was my first time. I was bored. I wanted to try out something, so I decided to do a DIY. And yeah, you guys, thanks for watching.